Here we have the American Sweetheart swing, one of the many in the red cedar line that we have, manufactured right here in Pennsylvania. What's great about this product, the deep seating about almost 18 inches in the depth. We have the scroll design coupled with the two hearts, which kind of makes this swing. We've had for many years, big seller. Has done very, very well for us. What's nice also, a little bit of lumbar support that we've included in this. Kind of helps that back portion out for you. We ship this product with the zinc-plated hardware and the zinc-plated chains. You may also upgrade to the stainless steel hardware. With cedar, with a rot-resistant, decay-resistant, you can let that weather to a silver gray for outside, for under the porch, whatever. But most people apply to a stain sealer to their choice, either on their own or we offer it on our website, and you'll see that. What's nice also about this is when it's shipped, it's easy to assemble. The back and the seat shipped, combine those with the arms, add the chains, and you're ready to go. Like I said before, big seller, you'll enjoy it for many, many years.